Hello kids, let's learn numbers 1 to 10 and colors name. Brown color, violet color, pink color, green color, orange color, blue color, light pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, light green color. Let's fill the colors. Black color 1 circle. Yellow color 2 2 circles. Light green color 3 2 3 circles. Orange color 4 2 3 4 circles. Pink color 5 2 3 4 5 circles. Red color 6 2 3 4 5 6 circles. Sky blue color 7 2 3 4 5 6 7 circles. Violet color 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 circles. Blue color 9 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 circles. Brown color 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 circles. Let's revise. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.